think that's why not interested to listen.
This temple, it's not a monolithic, not a single pieces of stone. Assemble, so many pieces are there, but whole temple fixed interlocking system. Interlocking means nothing to any mortal, cement, iron, no use. The material is called soapstone or soft stone. Scientific name chlorotic system. When it is inside the earth, very soft, like a butter or a soap or a clay. After exposed to weather, gradually becomes hard. So it was easy to chisel and carve. This is entire temple interlocking like a Lego system, stone to stone, like a Lego. And look at there, sir. First pillar is there. First pillar, half pillar. In between small groove is there. That is the interlocking, but stone. So not on the pillar, entire temple, stone to stone, like that. Got it, sir?
These pillars are not in one piece.
No. Five pieces are there. I will explain. Inside pillar is there. I will explain after. Yes, 5 pieces. It looks like a one piece, but that is not one piece. 5 pieces is there. I will explain. Inside nice pillar is there. Sir, this is the panel system. First elephants line, second horses line, third flower creepers, Ramayana Mahabharata story, Vishnu, Lakshmi, different incarnation, and Hoysala emblem lion. This temple, Hoysala dynasty, that's why Hoysala logo lion, but all the lion heads is broken by the invaders. Elephant for strength, horses for speed, flower for beauty. Strength, speed and beauty. And look at there, sir. Platform design like a star. Zigzag. Got it? Not only platform design star shape, and look at there, sir. Temple aerial view also. Star. And temple ventilation also. Temple ventilation design outside only star shape, but inside a square shape. And what is the reason? Sun eclipse, moon eclipse, but the star never eclipse. Star is always shining. That's why everywhere Hoysala dynasty temple in Karnataka, 92 temple is like that. 92 temple also, same style, same design and same stone. But kings and sculptures only different, otherwise everything is same. Platform also star, including 3 layers also. Strength, speed and beauty, everywhere easily find out. That is the Hoysala dynasty temple. This is epic story, sir. I will explain. Come this side. Continue. Generation. Somanatha, son, grandson, completed. But Somanatha, he is not a king. Only chief officer. Mukhyadhikari, Dandadhikari, money collector. That's why, sir, here no safety. And main intention, those days no bank or banking system. Temple treasury. Like a university. That's why 1,000 camels carried the wealth only one temple. Gold, wealth, money, diamond, everything. Not only here, and look at the outside also. Sir, outside 64 rooms are there, cells are there. Yes. Now all are empty. Earlier, Vishnu, Lakshmi, god and goddesses idol is there in each room. Inside also puja and here also puja. That's why Muslim invaders inside also searched and outside also. Now 64 rooms also is there, but broken idol, and including wealth also taken away. Now empty, just for a compound. Main intention spoil the beauty and looted the wealth. But now structures is there, but all are damaged. And the ancient temple once damaged, again not repaired, right? That's why this is the only one piece extra additional. After 1958, archaeological department, look at there, sir, neatly carvings and deep gap. Look at there. But here no.
They cannot.
This is also soapstone. That is also soapstone.
It is kept there.
Yes. 1958. 1958. Just for an example only. What is the difference? Old
shows?
Artist and new artist.
What it shows?
This one? Earlier empty is there. Space.
No, but
Story.
what
Story, this is the Bhima story. Continue. That side is there. I will explain. And look at there, patchwork also new. That's why ancient temple once damaged, again not repaired. For only preserve, not repaired. And temple now, sir, UNESCO site. World Heritage. Almost 2 years back. Parashurama. Holding Parashu. But Parashu also broken. 7th avatar, Sri Rama. Holding bow and arrow.
Parashu is broken. This one is
Parashu. That is also Parashu. That is Shankha Chakra. Vedanta Padma, including Parashu.
Shankha Chakra.
ये रामा अवतार.
So this is the
This is Rama Avtara.
हाँ रामा अवतार.
bow and arrow.
And this
In between that is a Apsaras.
अच्छा
Here
यहाँ
also, there also. So this is the very rarest statue in India, Vishnu under the meditation. Usually Shiva, god of the yoga, but here Vishnu. Two statue only Vishnu under the meditation in India. One is Badrinath. Badri Narayana or Nara Narayana worships by the people, because not worshipped by the people, all the statue noses is broken. Sir intentionally, purposefully destroyed the nose, spoiled the beauty and looted the wealth. Lakshmi, dancing Lakshmi, but same again, nose is broken. And this is Brahma. This is Brahma. Chaturmukha Brahm with beard.
हाँ
Dadi.
this one is
ब्रह्मा
Brahma,
ब्रह्मा
Brahma.
ब्रह्मा.
Four faces there.
हाँ
And this is the Dhanvantari,
ये धनु ये धनु
god of medicine.
this is Amrit Kalash.
Amrita Kalash and medicine pot.
मेडिसिन
Medicine.
And this is the Vishnu, first avatara, Matsya.
मत्स्य अवतार
First avatara,
मत्स्य अवतार.
second avatara, Kurma.
Kurma.
Third avatara, Varaha.
महोत्सव कुठं
Come this side, sir. Come, I will show. Come.
Matsya.
Look at there. This is the Varaha, right?
this is
Varaha
Varaha.
and
हाँ
Matsya.
वराहा.
Between both difference.
हाँ,
Here,
Varaha.
nose is there, but
Okay.
there, no nose. That is the Vishnu sitting on the snake.
हम्म.
Sir, you can't see anywhere Vishnu sitting. Usually Vishnu standing and sleeping. And this is sitting on the snake.
हाँ
7 heads is there,
सेवन हाँ
but 3 heads broken. Adi Shesha or Sheshanaga. And Ganesha also. Nate Ganesha, Nate Saraswati, but Veena is broken.
हाँ
So this is the Abhisheka water. Not now.
Which one? This one is
Tell me, sir. This is Garuda.
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 And this one
Vishnu.
विष्णु
Vishnu, that side entered. Below deer is there. Down.
हाँ हाँ
कोण आणतं?
डियर
yes.
डियर हाँ
कोण आणतं?
हंटर हंटर हंटिंग करतो तो
Hunting. Like that, sir.
बाण
Okay, okay.
मारतात ते
Archery.
हां.
Yes.
हाँ
and this one.
And that side erotics. Kama Sutras.
Kama.
Hmm.
Acha, this one.
Yes.
Kama Sutra.
चलो
एक.
Yes, I. Wife, Hidamba.
हाँ.
ಏನ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೋಗ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ
Great.
there Bhima wife Hidamba, she is pregnant, and this is the Ghatotgaj naming ceremony in the forest. Look at there, sir. Jula holding the tree,
हाँ
Oh.
and this is the Bhima Bakasura fighting on chariot foot. Bakasura Vada. Look at there. There is the end.
ये बका
Sir, 547 elephants are there total.
Acha.
This one.
This one.
Down. In each elephant is different. Movements, so dresses, so jewels, so all are different. Inner corners only, 2 bodies there, 1 face.
Acha. हाँ.
Just for strength. That's why everywhere, sir, Hoysala temples, first elephants line, strength, speed and beauty. All around this temple.
Elephant is for strength.
Yes, horses for speed, flower for beauty. Not only here, and there also. Look at, and those stealing the butter, hanging pots.
Acha.
And pot step by steps is there. Krishna and Balarama stealing the butter. The Krishna story. Gopala and Gopikastri forest story. So this is the beautiful miniature of the forest. Only one piece, but forest also there and river also there. In the forest, cows, monkeys, peacock, trees, mountains, elephant, rat running, 2 monkeys are there. This is river, step by step going water. In the water, fish, snake, crocodile, tortoise, frog, everything. Sir, only one piece, but all are carved. Soapstone, wife Lakshmi sitting on the lap.
हाँ.
Lakshmi leg on the lotus flower.
हाँ
Lakshmi leg weight, lotus flower bent.
हाँ
When it is bent, elephant support from the trunk. What a beautiful carvings and wonderful carvings. Vishnu and Lakshmi are Lakshmi Narayana. And look at there, sir, signatures.
हाँ.
Hasanatama, Mallitama, Bameya, Chameya, Chaudaya, 68 years.
Acha, they are architect.
Yes. So the start by Somanatha, next to 2 generation Patla.
लोटसच्या खाली काय म्हणते ती आहे?
Combination 7 animals.
हाँ.
Look at there. Elephant trunk, cow ears, monkey eyes, crocodile mouth, pig body, lion's leg, peacock tail. Makara in Sanskrit word crocodile, but this is not a crocodile, just imaginary. Everywhere, not only here, only Hoysala's temple, same animal is there, just a mythical animal is called Makara.
You can repeat it again.
Elephant trunk,
Elephant trunk.
cow ears, okay, cow ears, monkey eye, crocodile mouth, pig body, lion legs, peacock tail. Combination 7 is called Makara. Same, one chariot food, Bakasura Vada.
Acha, he is taking bullock cart.
Yes, Bakasura. That's why this place called Somanatapura. This temple, 13th century, 1268 AD, 1268 AD, now almost to 750 or 800 years old temple. And this is the Vishnu temple. He has Vishnu 1000 names. Vishnu Sahasranama. Among 1000 names, first name of the Vishnu Keshava. That's why this temple Keshava temple. Inside 3 idols. And look at this. First one Krishna or Venugopala. Second one Keshava. Right side is Janardana. Different forms of Vishnu. Krishna, Keshava, Janardana. And 3 Shikar also. 3 towers. But this is not an active temple. Because this temple 2 times attacked by the Muslim invaders. In 1311 AD Malik Kafur, 1326 AD Muhammad bin Tughlaq. When attacked the Muslim rulers, purposefully destroyed the main idols. But now also idol is there. Something is damaged, something is broken. Hindu custom. Once damaged idol, we don't worship. That's the reason this is not an active temple, just a museum or monument. Earlier temple, but not now. This the damaged idol is there. That's why this is no puja. So only museum. And that is the old Kannada inscription. Karnataka local language Kannada, but Ade Kannada means old Kannada. Who built this temple? Who gives land, money, donation, full temple information? That is not writing chisel, stone to stone. That is the present Kannada writing. This is almost old Kannada. 91 lines is there, but main highlights of the translated new Kannada. That is a new text of word. Comes from the trident, but Trishula broken up. Tip of the fear, so demon intestine coming out.
Hansa.
No, this is the intestine. Yes.
Acha.
Look at that. But stick is broken. And trident is there. 1, 2, 3. Mahisha, Hasura, Mardini. Mahishasura, Mardini. Panli Tamma is the main artist. And look at there, Parvati.
And here a lion is
There, this is the
Parvati.
Chamundi Vahana
Parvati.
lion. Rakshasa. Come sir. This is the Yamuna river. Kaliya Mardana or Kaliya Nartana Krishna dancing on the snake. This one. And this is swan. Vehicle of the Brahma. Mother swan feeding to babies. Look at this sir. Side force wave, front force wave, same bird, but 3D system. Those days no 3D, just sculptures imagination. Swan mother, young baby is there. Young baby, swan mother is there. Just a mirror type of both angle. Same bird but mirror image. This side and that side both angle also. Swan. Yes.
When you are having oil, so
Yes.
there are 2 kinds of pulleys.
Yes.
One is you take from the main pot and then you take another small,
Yes.
because what it says in puja is that whatever main pulli you are
Yes.
using, it
Yes.
should not touch the flame,
Yes.
because it will become, for example, if I am eating from the pot
Yes.
and same hand I am putting, then it becomes, in Marathi we said ushta.
Ushta.
It has been contaminated.
Yes, yes.
So that's why you have 2 types of pulleys. But I
This
have
is
never.
the Govardhana. This is different.
Acha. But like this.
Leela, demon Putana. Putini. Feeding to poison milk Krishna. This is Krishna, this is Putini. And old Kannada name Putini. Written Kannada. And look at their baby Krishna also there. And the next demon Shakatasura. Shakata means wheel or bandi and chariot. Look at there, sir. Shakata means wheel, right? Look at there. Lot of Rakshasas there. Shakata means wheel or bandi or
Govardhan.
lift in the mountain Krishna. Govardhana Giridhara.
Heavy rain.
Yes. Indra. 7 days.
And this one is
And this one?
Yeah.
This one, same continue. And different forms, Rakshasa also came. Shakatasura, Keshasura, Arkasura, Vamasura.
And
The
this
same.
One, and this one.
ये
Same, this is also Dhenukasura. Dhenukasura means bull.
Bull.
Yes, different forms Rakshas.
Acha. Yeah. And this,
You know, temple
who has damaged? Khilji.
No, Mallikoffer.
Mallikoffer.
Togolako, Mallikoffer. Khilji, Gujarat.
Ah.
So much of the Ravana. Ravana cut the Jedi wings.
Ah.
Look at there's a Ravana's 10 heads. Vanara means monkey, save the Sita in Ashokavana, but full story, only main highlights. Next to generation easily find out. That's why all to temple Ramayana Mahabharata story is there, but main highlights. Next to Krishna story.
oil lamp.
Older. And look at it. This is the interlocking, but that is the iron rod. After 1958, archaeological department just for an example only. What is the difference stone rod and iron rod? This is the only one statue iron rod fixed, but originally stone to stone. Everywhere, not only here.
In between are Lakshmi.
No. Apsaras. All around this temple. That is the
अप्सरा
Lakshmi.
ये अप्सरा है ये अप्सरा
Dancing Lakshmi also there and sitting Lakshmi also there.
ये एलिवेट
Indradev.
इंद्रदेव
Sachidevi.
हाँ
Airavat.
हाँ
This one. This is the Garuda. Vishnu and Lakshmi is carrying. This one. So this is the Ramayana story. Feet. Single stone from inside to here.
Okay.
This is for only Krishna. Abhisheka water. And look at that. Here also Krishna idol is
But
there.
now there is no Abhishek.
Nothing, sir. Nothing. No functions. No festival. Nothing because of damaged right statue. That's why.
This is all soapstone, right?
Soapstones are Krishna. Keshava. Janardana. That's why this is Keshava Shikar.
ओके
And Keshava outlet. This also same. That is separate. That is separate. That is separate. So that took 68 years.
थर्ड
So you have been Chamundi Hill.
थर्ड
Madam, this one, musical instruments, drumming, singing, fluting, dancing, like that, first circle. So second line, shikar design, like a towers, like a dome design. Third and fourth, lotus buds. Small lotus buds are there. Then cow shoes are horseshoes. Hoof of the cow. 3 steps also. And you can say this is a cow. Okay, this one. Cow shoes
ओके ओके हाँ
or horse shoes.
ओके
और शूज
हाँ
3 steps also.
ओके फर्स्ट वन काउज और
Both are 3 is also same. 3 layers also. This one, that one, that one.
ओके
But big size, first one, second one, middle size, then small size. And this is the initial stage of the lotus bud. 16 ceiling, 16 different positions. Little developed here. Okay, so this is the first day. Initial stage of the lotus bud. But ulta. Okay, first day bud. Second day little bit. Third, fourth, fifth, like that. 16th day completely open lotus flower is there. But
This one is the first one.
this is the first one.
Madam,
And 18, sir.
18 pillars.
And look at that. 16 ceilings. Ceilings means Bhuvaneshwari in Sanskrit word. Means round shapes. So 16 ceilings are there inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. 16. That's why Panchashila Stamba. But from here to here, elephant and the horses rotate the shapes. Sir, you know pottery wheel. But pottery, same statue inside.
Acha, Krishna and Gopika.
Yes, Gopala and Gopika Sri also there here. Sir,
पेटल
lotus petal. But handmade. Compared to
सर मिरर लाइट दिखो लाइट
tell me, sir. Small statue also inside a small rod is there. That is also not iron, stone to stone. But flute is broken. Sir, flute. Not only flute.